ABCD is a rectangle with AB is equal to A and BC is equal to B. R1 is the radius of a circle passing through A and B vertex and touching the side CD. R2 is passing through C and D and touching the side AB. Prove that R1 plus R2 greater than equals to 5 upon 8 A plus B. Or I can ask you what is the minimum value of R1 plus R2. I can give you the value of A and B. A is 6 and B is 8 or something. Then I can ask that. Take your time. You have at least 5 minutes for this question. Take your time. Now be relaxed. Always try to use the geometry. Geometry means you have to make a beautiful diagram. 50 to 60% question done if you are able to draw the diagram. So relax and try to make the diagram. If not possible in one stroke, then go for the second or third diagram. Just go for that. Right? Try that. So, see, if I'm saying AB and touching from is a rectangle, right? So, like always, you'll get the figure in this way. One of the circle is going through this. First, I can something like this, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a better.
The other one.
This is the better one, now. And you can say, okay, sir. Again, this will be the same. Huh?
Not done. Sir, I took an assumption. Is it fine?
Right? This. So, in this case, I can say this is ABCD. Right. So in this case, I can say that both the circles are same. Right. The symmetric form, both are same. Right. So this length is same. So can I say that AB and CD both are same? Right.
Yes.
Right. So what if, right, I'm changing few thing in this. R2 is passing through C and B and touching the side AD. Now you have to prove this. The first is only both will be same, right? Both is going in the same direction, right? In the second, now this one is one circle is going with the right in the this form ki, like it's going upward or downward. The second circle is now is going in this way. Right. I don't know this will fix there or not. But you can understand this, right? Right? So both the circles are not symmetric in this form, right? So just I'm changing this a bit. So you'll get a better example of this R1 and R. Take your time. Third circle, this is passing through the point B and C and touching the side AD is the third circle. Okay, Sanjana?
Yes.
Both are symmetric form, right? May I start?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Only try to find R1. That's it. This is the hint. First, draw the diagram and try to find R1. What is the value of R1? you realize that geometry is nothing but the courage to solve the question. That's it. You have to show the courage to go for the diagram and go for the question. That's it. Believe me, you all have knowledge more than what is required in this question. See,
So just a minute.
okay. Just if someone not getting something, so this is the diagram. R1, you can say this is R1, small capital, this is R. ये सब होना चाहिए काव्यम. This is one of the simplest question, Pratyush. Very good, very good. Now you have to use something, right? You have to use something that like that's like the simplest thing you have to use. You have already done all this thing, right? This is not the new thing what you are doing here. Receive, Utkarsh, diagram done, very good.
So
Well,
बस diagram में time लग रहा था.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the diagram, right? Now, see, everyone, see. This is radius R1. So this length, this much length will be R1 minus B. And this length is A by 2. If I'll join both this. So obviously this is 90 degree, right? And this is radius again, R1. So I can rewrite this as R1 minus B the whole square plus A by 2 the whole square is equal to R1 square. Very simple thing, right? And from this I can say R1 square minus 2B R1 plus B square plus A square by 4 is equal to R1 square, both cancelling out, right? So what I'm getting, 2B R1 is equal to A square by 4 plus B square, right? Or dividing by 2. So I'm getting R1 is equal to A square by 8B plus B by 2. Okay. Anyone finding any difficulties on this? Okay. Now, this is R1, right? I'm not doing the complete question, right? I'm not doing the complete question. I hope you all have done till this. So by symmetricity, I can say if this is R1, so I can find R2, and this R2 is nothing but क्या होना चाहिए बताओ तो? What is this R2?
B square upon 8A
B
plus
square
A by
upon
2.
8A by plus A by 2.
Very good. Perfect. Now R1 plus R2. Take your time. Very good, Rishabh. Very good, Kavya. हाँ देखें तो मुखड़ा तो दिखाएं. Very good. सही है.
So exactly क्या proof करना था?
8 by 5 A plus B. Oh, sorry, 5 by 8 A plus B. 5 upon 8 A plus B. Okay, may I start?
So 2 minutes.
Okay, beta.
So done.
Very good. बहुत अच्छे. Write down in chat what you've done.
So should I write the final equation I got?
What is that, Sanjana? Write down or ask, please. R1 is
Sir,
same as
I
R1.
said, should
but
I write the
all
final
of
equation?
them are same.
Should I write the final equation that I got?
Fine. Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Very good, Aryan. Very good, beta. See. So R1 plus R2, right? Utkarsh.
फिर हो गया
Huh? Not getting your voice.
फिर हो गया ऑलमोस्ट
हो गया? Very good. So 8 is common out from this to 1 by 8 common out. This is A cube plus B cube upon AB plus A plus B 4 times. 4 times A plus B common out. Or it's okay. A plus B by 8 is common out. Means I have to prove only this is A square plus B square minus AB by AB plus 4. Right. So this is nothing but A plus B by 8. This A by B plus B by A minus 1. This is plus 3. And we know that number and its reciprocal is always greater than equal to 2. And 2 plus 3 is 5. So I can say this is always greater than equal to 5 by 8, A plus B. That's it. AM greater than equals to GM. You all know this, I hope. The basic. Right. Little bit geometry, little bit algebra. Best perfect question. RMO 1900 something. A perfect question. Basic, and you know all this, you know this. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Sanjana. Very good. Utkarsh, same thing you were doing.
यस सर सर लास्ट लास्ट स्टेप थोड़ी देर में दिखा
Number and its reciprocal. Number and its reciprocal. If anyhow the numbers are given as positive, right? Means they are saying use AMGM, right? Use AMGM. That's a very good hint. If the sides are given, right? Sides of any rectangle or triangles are given. Rishabh, this is okay?
Yes, sir.
One more. Anushka, okay, beta? Okay, now. Second one. So I hope a square sheet of paper A, B, C, D is so folded that B falls on the midpoint of M of CD. The midpoint is called M, that is on CD. Find that the crease will divide BC in what ratio? Well-known question, very good question. Like anyhow, you'll get this question again and again. So take your time.
But sir, if B point is folded, then how would we find the ratio of BC?
If you'll fold the paper now, I have one. See, this is the rectangular paper, right? Just
Yeah.
you are folding this to the midpoint of it. Right.
Yes.
Right. This is coming. So this ratio is coming as something like this, not this upon this.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
That they are asking. Very good, Nuska. Very good. Very good, Anushka. Very good, Rishabh. ऋषभ, if you remember, IIT के एक क्वेश्चन भी ये बना हुआ था for AOD. What is the maximum area?
सर वो शीट में आपने जो शीट दी थी
Maximum area when you are folding this sheet to.
सर उसमें आई बिलीव रेक्टेंगल था, स्क्वायर नहीं था। रेक्टेंगल
Use rectangle. मतलब square rectangle, like you can, the specific case is there. Rectangle.
आंसर सही है कि गलत है?
सही, very good. Perfect. Pratyush. Sanjana. Diagram, beta, diagram. Okay, take your time. No, Krisib. एक बार और बेटा. Try again. See.
So just a minute.
Okay, okay.
So can you check?
No, no. There's something which. This is something like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Let this is length 1. This is the midpoint. This is x. This will be 1 minus x. This is 90 degree. Right? This is nothing but under root of 1 plus x square. This is length 1, and this is again x. Right? This is the diagram. I hope Everyone is getting this, right? So if I'll go with one of the triangle, any like any one of the triangle, something like this one. So that will fulfill our all the requirements. Nahi? A simple one. In this triangle, this is 90° and half 1 by x to 1 by 2. The whole square plus 1 minus x, the whole square is equal to x square. 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 2x plus x square is equal to x square. X to x is equal to 5 by 4 or x is equal to 5 by 8. 1 minus x is equal to 3 by 8. So the ratio will be 5:3. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? 3:5 or 5:3 from where you are just taking the BC tha, to this x na, the 5:3. Okay, right? Yes, yes, the same diagram. You're folding the complete this thing, na? See, this is the paper. Now you are folding this one, and this goes to here, proper. The folding will be at this point and this point. Getting this?
Yes, sir.
So this will be open. Okay. So what you all have done?
Sir, in this, is it always that we'll fold from the edge of A?
From anywhere you can fold, not necessarily from A it will come. It may come from, right, any of the angle, right? This is coming from this, then only I'm taking this triangle, that's the reason. It's not affect my positioning, right? That's the reason I'm not taking this one, right? That may affect the positioning. So that's the reason I'm taking the second one. We are not very much sure exactly from where to get this. Huh? Okay. So third one. You have to make the notes of this now. Let A, B, C, and very good everyone, right? Most of the answers are coming in good way. Yes, see this, see this, see this, see this. If done, then tell me now. I'm writing the question now. A, B, C, B, and acute angled triangle and CD be
Sir,
the
I couldn't. Sir, where is the screen? I can't see the screen.
altitude through C. दिखेगा बेटा? Pause किया है? ये कुछ नोट करना था आपको.
सर ये स्क्वायर वाले इसमें है अभी ना, वो स्क्वायर वाले डायग्राम.
स्क्वायर वाले डायग्राम में क्या?
सर स्क्वायर वाला डायग्राम स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है सर.
हाँ बेटा, वही अभी दिखाया हूँ. मैं क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ. हाँ, वो कुछ लोग नोट कर रहे हैं अभी सॉल्यूशन, राइट?
Okay, sir.
अब तक find the distance between the midpoint of AD and BC. Okay, let's start. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
कर लिया सबने?
Yes, sir.
See. Let ABC be an acute angle triangle and CD be the altitude through C. If AB is equal to 8 and CD is equal to 6, find distance between midpoint of AD and BC. You have 7 minutes for this question. Your time starts now. Very good, Rishabh. Send your working if possible. Send your working.
सर फोन तो नहीं है सर, बट वो मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम लगाया था बार।
कोई नहीं, भेजो मेरे को। जो लिख लिख ट्राई करो, राइट इट डाउन और आराम से टेक योर टाइम। सभी लोगों को, एवरीवन टेक योर टाइम, राइट? Like at least 10 different methods are there, right? You can use different methods. Very good, Kavyam. Shivang, very good. Kavyam, write down what you have done, beta. Pratyush होना चाहिए. This is simple one. Very good. Good one. Kavyam, very good. Perfect. Perfect. नहीं, अरे वाह, अरे लिखा बड़ा डिजाइन का है. √13 बड़े प्यार से लिखा तूने. नहीं, नॉट √13, बट लिखने का तरीका बड़ा अच्छा लगा. Let's start. Let's
So
start.
1 minute.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, take your time for 2 minutes, no problem. Yes, please ask. Yes, Sanjana, please ask or write down.
Sir, I'm typing just once.
Okay. Yes. To save, done, beta. Send your working, send your working. ABC. Altitude through this is D. Midpoint of this is E. And midpoint of this is F. We have taken few of this. Now perpendicular drop from this. This length is given as 6. And this is given as 8. Let this point is G. Right? So can you see in this triangle? Yeah, this triangle. In this triangle, right? If this is 6, right, and this is the midpoint. Yes. So can I say this CD upon FG is equal to BF upon BC. What is BF upon BC? Right, this is the midpoint. This is 1/2. So sorry, BF is a BC upon BF. Right? So this is 2 times of this. And CD is 6, so FG is nothing but 3. This length is 3. Is this okay? Right, by midpoint theorem, you can say like so FG is right. What you can say about G in the triangle? This what you can say about G of BD. What is the ratio of BG upon BD? Half means I can write down DB is equals to, right, twice of DG. Similarly, AD is equal to twice of AD. If you add both this, AD plus BD is 8 units. AD plus BD is equal to twice of DG plus ED, right? So this DG plus ED is nothing but EG, right? Is equal to 4. So this length I'm getting as 4. And this is 3. If I'll make this triangle, what I can say, this is 3 and 4, so this will be 5. Is this okay, everyone?
सर ये हम D को मिड पॉइंट अज्यूम करके कर सकते थे.
नहीं beta, नहीं. That was possible only if the triangle is isosceles. No, but the triangle is not isosceles, so we can't say कि give the mid.
तो आंसर सेम नहीं आ रहा था.
And this is one of the case where you are getting the answer same, but not every time you will get answer same. Right? Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, everyone. Right. Right. This is a good one. Nah? We have used only the midpoint theorem, the basic midpoint theorem, and you are getting this. So this solution is, I guess, everyone is getting this one. Nah? Okay. Next. The cyclic octagon A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H has sides A, A, B, 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 B. 4 of A's and 4 of B's, respectively. Find the radius of the circle that circumscribing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You have to find radius of this. I can give the like A in place of A, I can give you this 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, or 3, 3, 3, 3, and then you have to find, but I'm giving you the simple A, and B, B, right? Yes. Sides are in the order. Maximum 7 minutes. Obviously, start with the diagram, then a bit. Then you'll get the answer. Let's start with the diagram, right? Just start. I'm not giving any hint, right? Then we'll discuss. try to find the angles. Right. First thing you can do, you have to find the angles. What angle this A, B, C, D that's making with the center. Right? That will 100% that will hit. May I start? May I start? Sanjana, done?
So 1 minute.
Draw the figure now. The first thing you have to draw the figure and see if anything you are getting with the centricity. Aryan, want to ask? बोलना है? But first thing now, like, like, uh, uh, like we have to go with the figure. Maybe we are able to get something very interesting from the figure. Right? Maybe you
सर
will.
काफी ज्यादा साइक्लिक कोऑर्डिनेटर्स दिख रहे जितना तक बनाया है, इसीलिए थोड़ा सा अप्रोच ज्यादा
सिमेट्रिक
लगा।
मिल जाए बेटा, देखो ना कुछ सिमेट्रिक ऐसा मिल जाए कि लाइक यू कैन यूज फॉर प्रॉपर्टीज एंड ऑल. What formula you are using to say?
Sir, like we're considering the side of A and B in the octagon.
The formula you have to check that. The formula what you are using now, that you have to check. That is the cosine formula na. See this. Just first A, B, C, D, 8 points, right? Right, this is the center. Something like this. And what I'm saying now, this is not the only way to solve this, right? This is one of the way. This is one of the way to solve this, right? If you sit with the questions now in geometry, so that's a, like the most beautiful part is every time you'll get something new. Every time you'll get something new. Okay, I can solve by this method also. Or, right.
So just a minute, I think I got it.
Okay, good. curves.
यार डायग्राम ही नहीं आ रहा था अच्छे से.
This is okay now. See the diagram.
Yes sir.
This is one of the diagram. These sides I'm saying A and these sides I'm saying B. This is one of the solution, but what I'm just giving you, right? See, the like it's a trigonometric solution, right? If the
We're
radius,
done.
very good, very good. If the radius is r, this angle is alpha. So first thing, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 alpha plus 4 beta is equal to 2 pi. So alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. This is the best hint, right? Then why this is the best hint? See, for the triangle, this triangle OAB or something, you can give the name of this. In this triangle, I can say you can use the complex number also in this question, right? This is R and A, so this is R square plus R square minus 2RR cos alpha is equal to A square, the cosine formula. Cosine formula, right?
So I don't think we need that.
Huh? क्या बेटा?
I don't think we need that.
Just a minute, wait now. I'll give you 2, 3 solutions, no worry. Right? So this is 1 minus cos alpha is equal to A square by 2R square. Or cos alpha is equal to 1 minus A square by 2R square. Right? First. Similarly, for B, I'll get cos beta is equal to 1 minus B square by 2R square. Right? But since alpha plus beta is pi by 2, so I can just rewrite this cos beta as sine alpha. And we know that sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. Sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1 only. 1 minus A square by 2R whole square plus 1 minus B square by 2R square whole square. This you'll get R. This is the first method, right? What we are getting. So if alpha plus beta is coming as pi by 2, now means we are able to convert this cos alpha into sine alpha or sine alpha into cos alpha. So if we are getting two equations now, so this is one of the method that you can use for eliminating this alpha and beta. Right. So keep this in mind. Okay, we have one of the method, and this is the method, right? We can do, like always we'll be able to do that. Yes, 2 sine square alpha by 2. But when you use this 2 sine square alpha by 2, now you will get 2 sine square alpha by 2 and 2 sine square beta by 2. Now 2 sine square alpha by 2, 2 sine square. To both the case, you are getting 2 sine square alpha by 2, 2 sine square beta by 2. We don't have any method to just eliminate this alpha and beta there. That's the reason I have done this thing. Give one in sine alpha, one in cos alpha, then square and add, we are getting the, like we are able to eliminate this alpha. Okay. Done everyone. So मैं कुछ twist करूं इसे दूसरे मेथड पे. अनुष्का, is this okay?
So इसका final answer क्या होगा इस expression का?
ये आएगा a square plus b square plus root 2 ab whole thing divided by 2. 4 is in the under root. I'm writing this.
It's the same आया दूसरे method से.
Very good, very good. मैं बता दूं सेकंड मेथड या आप एक बार बोलना चाहोगे अपना मेथड बेटा?
Okay sir. सर बस मेरे मेथड में एक चेंज है कि वो जो अल्फा बीटा का एंगल है उसको 90 डिग्री मैंने ड्रॉ किया था। उसके बाद उसी जो अल्फा बीटा एंगल में जो कॉर्ड होगा उसको मैंने ड्रॉ किया था। फिर कॉर्ड लेंथ निकाला था क्योंकि मुझे ए और बी के बीच का एंगल पता है, तो मैं उसमें कोसाइन रूल लगा सकता हूँ। उसके बाद उस कॉर्ड का जो लेंथ होगा मैं r√2 के साथ इक्वेट कर सकता हूँ, फिर आंसर आ गया।
Good.
और वो जो ए और बी के बीच में एंगल होगा 135 डिग्री हो जाएगा, तो कोसाइन रूल लगाना उसमें इजी है।
Directly you can use the cosine rule. Done, everyone? Okay. See, you can see in this, right, what this is saying, exactly the same thing I want to apply in different form. I want to go for this one. So alpha plus beta is 90. In this we can see, right? Like this, I'm giving the name PQR. And this angle is 90, right? What is this angle? PQR. Anyway,
So 135.
very good. Everyone getting this? 135. And this,
Yes.
this is B and this is 135 degree. So this length I'm getting directly from this, right? And since this and this both are radius r, so I can apply PR square is equal to R square plus R square. Right? Or what the Kavyam? Kavyam,
Yes, sir.
you've asked one question, na? Beautiful question. Kavyam asked, first thing is, sir, tell me one thing. Is this octagon, what we are framing there, it's in the same order or not in the same order? This complete thing is coming as the same order or not coming in the same order, right? That is a, like, so 100% this is given, this is not coming in the same order. But if you'll see, if I'll do that, if I'm taking this as A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So this of this figure, right, the polygon, right, and this polygon having the same arrangement with different orientation. Can I say this? Because in both the cases, I'm getting the same triangles, right? That's giving you the same answer, right? So instead of this polygon, I'm taking this one. कि A,
So
B,
there's
C,
no
D.
change because we just need A and B to coincide once.
Very good. So
In any configuration, that should happen.
very good. So now we can say that, so this is 90 degree and this is 135. So we can take this as A square plus B square minus 2 AB cos 135 is this, right, is equal to 2R square, something. So in one line, I will get the answer. Yes, yes, true. Okay, okay, everyone. Just a minute. Yeah. Next one. If the circumcenter and centroid of a triangle coincide, right? Prove that, no? Okay. Or fine.
So fine.
Find angle BAC. Lots of questions like, yeah, Aryan, you बदमाश बच्चा.
सर
Have
इक्विलैटरल
to-
ट्रायंगल में ही हो
You
सकता
have to prove. You have to prove.
है. ओके.
Just what you all are giving the answer now, I need proof of that. Yes, Sanjana? Okay, na? Utkarsh. Utkarsh, you too. You have 5 minutes for this. Take your time. Yeah, that's obvious you have to prove, na? That's the obvious thing we have to prove. Why this is happening, right? And obviously, as I said, like lot many methods are there, right? What you are using is try to use this as simple as like simplest method what you can use. That's it. Perpendicular bisector of sides and median same. So why this is equilateral?
Sir, they will coincide on the other side, so they will intersect on the other side. So if they are not the same line, then they won't have a common intersection point.
Mathematically, how you can prove this? That's it. By observation, obviously, it has to coincide. Then obviously we can see ki both the points is coming. So the equal distribution will be there, right? Equal distribution of what? Equal distribution of area. So either we have to At geo is the ratio 2:1. Yes. So how could we say that this is an equilateral one? Aha, this is interesting. Sir, if it's not equilateral triangle, then at least the median and perpendicular bisector would be same because only one line. But in isosceles triangle also, we can say the centroid could be passing through this one, but not coinciding in that.
So I'm sending the.
Very good. Agree. But mathematically, where I'm getting this? Because agree, I'm agree with this, right? But mathematically, where I'm getting this? Okay? Like in somehow you have to write down a sir, C, A is equal to B is equal to C is coming. Sir, see the angle A is equal to B is equal to C is coming from this relation. So, like then we can say, okay, this is working. Hmm. This is good one. Okay, let's start. Very good, Kavyam. Aryan, I'm not getting your point.
सर मैं फिगर विल एक्सप्लेन इट मैं फिगर भेज दूं
Sir, done.
Very good. Send the logic. Or if figure, then it's good. That I was saying. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, understand. Very good. Very good. That's giving you the perfect, right? A perfect thing like what you are getting in this. Let's start. Obviously, this is a line perpendicular line. This is isosceles triangle, obviously, right? This is the radius r. So this will be r by 2. And this is again the radius r. R by 2. So this angle will be 30 degree. So this angle is 60. So every angle will be 60 degree. नहीं? This is one of the method, right? We can use this.
Sir, I sent the figure.
Where?
Sir, on WhatsApp.
Oh, okay. Just I don't have mobile. देख लो बेटा. Okay, Sanjana, getting this,
Yes, sir, I got it.
right? Or you can use the complex number. This is A, B, C, right? So we know that the centroid will be A plus B plus C, right? By 3, and that is 0, the circumcenter, and the altitude A plus B plus C. This is again coming as 0. So all the points are coming on the same point. So we can say this must be an equilateral triangle. Right? Simple again. Or you can use the congruency of the triangle. So from that also you get that. So lot many methods are there, right? But very good, everyone. Good work. Right? One last one, please. One last now. A, B, C, D is cyclic quadrilateral, and AC perpendicular to BD, both intersect at E. Find EA square plus EB square plus EC square plus ED square. Proof करने दूं या it's okay? Find में cheating आ जा रही है.
The
So-
proof is also okay.
What you are writing na, that you have to prove. So you can see the variation. Just I'm doing all type of question in one lecture, right? Rather, I'm going for only triangle and this, right? But next lecture, na, I'll go with the Sevas and laws, right? So be prepared with that. And the problem will be like this standard only or more than this. So be prepared.
सर हमको किस फॉर्म में निकालना है ई स्क्वायर
Radius R.
आर आर के फॉर्म में.
R is the radius.
ओके.
Radius of the circle is R, then find this relation in terms of R, radius. Not bad, not bad. You can use Aryan.
सर
Really me? Or then again you have some
Sir.
take on this.
सर रियली लग ही रहा है जुगाड़ कुछ हुआ नहीं है.
कुछ तो जुगाड़ किया होगा तुम्हें.
मुझे पता नहीं, लग भी रहा है जुगाड़, नहीं भी लग रहा है जुगाड़.
You have taken this center as E na. I understand.
सर लेकिन उसमें ही पॉसिबल होगा ना एसी और बीडी परपेंडिकुलर.
No, not necessary. Now you have to prove this. Very good, Kavyam. Have proved this or just E you have taken as E is the center of the circle? Now prove this. Now prove this. Okay, everyone. Very good. This is nothing but 4R square. But this is your homework. You have to prove this thing. Exactly, this will be 4R square. It's a very simple proof and you are able to do that. Right. We have already done this question in today's class only. So you can easily, you can get this. Okay. Okay. So in tomorrow lecture, we'll do functional equation. So be prepared with that, right? And possibly we'll do few of the questions of geometry also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
आज के लिए इतना ही, right? Bye bye everyone.